I want to be a little bit folkloric about fall if I can.
Yeah.
So here's what fall feels like to me, that it's the time, and some of you have children, I know. It's the time when nature gets ready for bed. And
Mhm.
that's a long process. And if you have children, it can be a really, really long process. Brushing the teeth and washing the face and getting the jammies on and reading history and getting the water and all of that. But my baby is now 31 and she doesn't live with me. But even my own process for going to bed is flossing and brushing and washing my face and shutting down the computer and all those things. And I think that's what nature does in the fall. So I felt a little cheated by the Wikipedia definition that it's just, the thing between summer and winter. Well, it isn't. It's a process. It's this beautiful texture, deep process of things beginning to shut down so that they can go to sleep for the winter, especially in the zone that we're in here, so that you do see autumn start in August. And there are some trees that go to bed early. They're like that cranky old 80-year-old woman who, I got to go to bed by 9 o'clock. And then there are trees that are going to hold out to the last possible minute. And the plants are the same way. So there are plants that they've already put themselves to bed, and you're not going to see much of them until the spring. And then there are the plants that we only see glorious in the fall, like the species clematis, that right now is so gorgeous and the smell is so profoundly beautiful.
Mhm.
So I like to use that time in the fall to get myself ready for winter and to tell myself all those things that I need to catch up on and catch up with, because once winter is here, I want to engage in some deep meditative time
Mhm.
and to get some real profound rest. So fall feels alternately like a very busy time, but also as a time of settling down and settling in.